First, we open the color box. Take out the whiskey barrel and accessories. Pay attention to the direction of the bracket. When you need to pour the whiskey into the barrel, you need to place the barrel flat on the table. Then insert the funnel into the barrel's mouth. Pour whiskey into the barrel. Stop pouring when the liquid reaches the brim of the bucket. After removing the funnel, screw the tap into the bottle mouth. You can start enjoying whiskey. When the water flow starts to slow down, it means that the water level inside will be level with the bucket mouth, when the water cannot flow out. We can reverse the direction of the bracket and place the whiskey barrel diagonally on the bracket. This will result in an angle that creates a water level difference. After the liquid stops, if you want to empty all the liquid in the bucket, you must manually pour it out